Hello everybody and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be telling you the story of Coral the Wolf and her life and what things happened in her life. And also a spoiler about a video, actually an upcoming video and how it will work. It's gonna be a collaboration. So it's going to be at the end of the video, so watch until the end! I had to do that. Coral, the baby wolf, lived in a beautiful forest with really high trees. And sometimes she even climbed them. I can't... This is so hard, but I can do this, so... I did it! When spring came, Coral went for hunting for food, but not animals. Fruit, like oranges, apples, more oranges, grapes, and high up, bananas. Coral loved grapes and bananas, but since she wasn't a great fan of other fruit, she always had to jump all the way up and get the bananas and grapes, and that was really painful. Other times, when she was lucky, she found pieces of watermelon on the floor, and when she did, she ate them. I'm so lucky! Watermelon! That was refreshing. And when there was no watermelon, she stared up in the sky to get her grapes and bananas. And Coral was really lucky because she lived beside a lake. And when she was really thirsty, she went there, although it was really small. Water. That was nice. But one day, Coral went up in her tree again, actually at the bottom of her tree. And she realized something terrible was going on. She fell on the floor and smelled something. This is not a good smell, and I'm not really clean right now. I gotta go up in my tree. But since Coral wasn't really good at climbing, she put a couple tries. Ow. She tried going on this other branch. Oh, an orange. And she climbed, but fell again. On the third try, she understood that this is how you do it. So she went on one. Then with her teeth, she went there. She got her feet and she bit another branch. Then she did the same, and she made an orange fall on the floor. There, the orange. But Coral continued to go all the way up until there, up high in her trees. She was a really good wolf at climbing when she wanted to. She made even a banana fall, but she didn't care, because now she was safe. But she didn't know what was gonna get her, what she smelled that was making her feel really uncomfortable. Once came a human. He saw this beautiful tree and thought that he would move it to his city. This tree looks really beautiful, and I think it would be amazing in my house, in my city. So I'm gonna call the people and move it. Coral the wolf heard up high what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? This is my home, and I'm not letting it go. Of all of this, Coral, up high in the tree, was thinking of a plan, and then she fell. Ow, 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 ow. The human saw the poor animal on the floor and got really freaked out. Then Coral the wolf moved, ran up in the tree, and since she was so scared, she went back into her hiding point in a sack. It was so high in the tree, the human could not see her anymore. Okay, so I gotta have a plan right now. Think of my plan. Think of the plan, think, until Coral got the little lamp thing in her mind. The biggest idea, the best idea. I have an idea. The idea was, sorry, this is my story. I should be talking right now. Okay, my idea, and she fell again. Although Coral was really good at climbing, more or less, she wasn't good at balancing. So she went up for the third time until she got the highest branch of the whole tree. She stayed there and did not move. Okay, now, my plan is, I know some bears live here, so I will call one and scare the human away. The bears heard, and so a bear came to freak out the human. Although he wasn't really frightened, he was wearing overalls. Roar! Roar! I'm a bear! Roar! He didn't know if that worked, but he stared at the human and thought he was dead. So he went away. And the bear wearing overalls walked slowly away and leaving the human behind. Up high in the tree, although Coral was being happy about this. She was partying in the tree, thinking that it was all done, but no, it wasn't. And the human was on the floor. Do the replay of the human falling. We'll be able to make the tree fall down. And if we don't, it'll be a problem, because that tree is actually really big. So yeah, I don't care if that tree is big. If you cannot do it alone, just get more people and do it with them. I'll try, sir. If we don't, I'm really sorry. We're gonna get to the more people as possible. Just do it. Human's house. It's out of my house and I can live in, yeah. My Blake, my tree, and my food. Nice. I love this place. Night, while Coral was sleeping, something was not right. She's sleeping, guys. We can move the tree. Okay, move the tree. Ooh, something moved. really weird. What's going on right now? Oh, move! It happened again. What am I gonna do? I'm so scared. Move! Again. Okay, I think I should move from here and see what's going on. Ow, 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 ow. Who are you? I think she's the baby wolf the man talked about. You guys know about me? Yeah, you're the little wolf that scared her. This is so creepy. OMG, I have to go up, back to my tree. Ugh, why did this continue to happen to me? And then scare the humans away. So let's make this happen. My workers moved the tree. Now it's gonna be easier to get it. So yeah. That's gonna be really fun to have the tree there, yeah. And it's gonna be fun to see the face of the little wolf that lives in this beautiful high tree. And up high in the tree, there was Coral the wolf. Creeping on the human. So, I'm gonna move this tree right now. Oh yeah, I can do this. That must... What is that? Thanks, guys! Now that human is gonna stay away from my home. Don't worry, Coral. We're always there to help you. In her tree, without no one bothering her, because they knew what happened to the human. Well, for the human, bad stuff happened. He got arrested trying to move this tree. And yeah. Now Coral the wolf lives in happiness in her tree. Guys, this is the end of the video where I can tell you spoilers about next videos. I actually had this video prepared since ages, but I didn't find enough confidence to edit it. So, yes! Okay, I'm getting seriously awkward. Still, some quick things that are gonna happen are, number one, I'm gonna have an Easter special. Nothing else. And number two, I'm so excited. So, me, Mr.crocodile, and the channel Kawaii Leon are teaming up to create a collaboration. P.S. Right after I finished editing this video, Bunny said that it was way too early to do this. But I don't care, because I'm a crocodile and I can do whatever I want. I'm crazy. Okay, so me and the channel Kawaii Leon are teaming up and it's going to be fun. The collaboration is going to work like this. So we're going to write each other's stories and then we're going to make mini movies about them with some goodies. After the video is posted, I will make the video of the preparing the box like that. You guys can see what I put in. And yeah, we still do not know when the collaboration is going to be. We do not know. Okay, I do not know his story. He technically does. But yeah, I just want to say yay, because I am super excited. We were wanting to do this collaboration thing since our YouTube channels literally started. And go out, check out Kawaii Leon. It's so good. There's a lot of fun mini movies. So yeah, guys. Bye! I didn't do the awkward Zoom thing, so I'll do it right now. Bye, guys! Okay, seriously, now bye. And stay happy, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye!